All right, let's see if we can get this off. It says it's supposed to be this simple. It is not. Man, these things make me nervous. Did work. Be gentle. Come on, baby. There we go. Voila. All right, so now with this off, I can clean the screen. I usually use a vacuum on it, but I wanted to give a nice deep clean, and I wanted to get access to these blades. Now that we have the screen off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the blade off by undoing this screw, and we'll be able to wash the entire blade system. This snugly fits in and just pulls straight out. You'll wanna be a little bit careful here. These clips here, these do move. You see that? They're just there to hold the wires, so just be careful. Voila! Now we have the cleaned Dometic Skylight fan. Beautiful.